I recommend to Congress that they rewrite the IRR of gun ownership and the responsibility of owning firearms, and to put a criminal aspect into the illegal use or illegal transfer of their guns. People have to be responsible gun owners or gun operators. People have to take accountability. Sa nangyari dito, wala kaming ma-charge dahil bitin ng batas. Kailangan may liability ang mga taong to. Kailangan may criminal liability yung mga taong ito. Kailangan lahat na may-ari ng baril, lahat na merong lisensyang humawak ng baril, ay responsable sa kanilang pag-handle ng kanilang mga kagamitan. Ito ay maraming pwedeng malubhang mangyayari.